Hey, what's up, NEM coin holders? So after a very long time, my brother, the latest update is absolutely available in this video. And what's the price prediction and what's the mistake of NEM coin holder? NEM coin holders are doing very big mistake in this time. Absolutely, my friend. If you do this mistake, so you are completely in the loss. So be safe from the loss, my brother. Don't do this mistake. What I tell you in this video, kindly understand. I hope, my brother, I give you guarantee, my brother, you never lost and crypto market. So try to understand. Let's start this brand video. Kindly subscribe this channel and like this video for more this type videos. Kindly click the subscribe button and like the video. So thank you so much. You can see, my brother, this time the last 3 days chart is on the screen. In this chart completely, my brother, show you to this coin is completely falls down from last 3 days. And this chart, absolutely, my friend, you can see if I predicate this coin, so you can know, my brother, absolutely the prediction is gonna be now yes, positive now. So it's mean, my brother, the arrows is starting moving upward now. So it's mean, my brother, every cryptocurrency after a fails take a jump. So this time it's mean, my brother, you can see here too, after this fail there is also good jump coming soon now. So it's mean to my prediction is going to be positive now, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming time NEM coin is completely go in the moon now. So my brother, if we check out the last 1 hour update to what's going on this time, I already check out, my friends, the Twitter, the Google. So my friend, I cannot found a new latest a very huge update. But this time you can see, my brother, the last 1 hour price update, the change occur update absolutely is on the screen. So you can see, my brother, this time the change occur minus 8.79%. The price is in decrease now. So it's mean to the price is very badly falls down and everybody is in the loss, to my brother. So what we do, what's your opinion, my brothers? You can sell, hold, or buy. My brother, this time if you can see here, so this coin is completely in the loss. So I think you need to hold it. If you starting selling and you think to absolutely, if we sell it, so we are be safe from the loss. So I think you are in the wrong, my brother. If you sell it, then absolutely you are in the loss. So I tell you, my brothers, to don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, in the end of this month, I hope they will give you a very good profit now and they will make you a millionaire. So thanks for watching, holder. Please, hope you understand. Please like this video, and if you have any question, please ask me in the comment box, and like this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.